welcome back or welcome to Larson Trips. Today we are here at the Morse Brothers pond, and today we are going to be hiking or maybe a little bit of fishing. So yeah, let's go see what we can do.
Alright, we're here at one of the ponds.
I'm going to try a bobber with a worm on it.
And we're using this little mic because it's kind of breezy out. You can see the ripples on the pond there. Kind of using the mic here.
Hi.
Yeah. And Katie's going to use the bobber with the worm. I'm going to try the mystery tackle box lure, the bantam. There's bass out here, some panfish. I don't know if there's any trout. There probably is, but who knows what we'll catch. We'll give it a try and go from there. Alright, so we're going to put on a worm. Now, I didn't feel like retying this hook to put another hook on, and plus I don't have any other hooks. Apparently I need to go hook shopping. So we're going to use a treble hook and put the worm on. And it should still work. But I'm going to throw this worm on. We're just going to thread it on all the hooks. Leave a little bit dangling. It entices the fish. Just like that. Alright, you gonna cast it?
Yep.
To the shore, but So we just noticed this spot behind us. If you can see it, the river comes through and dumps into these ponds. And the fish really like those areas because the food comes in and they like to scavenge anything that flows through there. So we're gonna try fishing this spot. And as you can see right over there in that corner, the river water is flowing right into here, filling these ponds. So we're gonna try this spot, see what happens. That sucks. Here goes that lure. No, saved it. Well, we tried this spot, nothing. I didn't really think that there's the weather being so cold and just you gotta pretty much be right on top of them. So we tried, but we're gonna continue hiking on, see where we go. Now this is where the river comes in. There's the river up over there. And there's just a little inlet. Comes in and out into the pond.
Alright, so we just got done. We were hiking a little, taking a little adventure, and we're packing up and we're about to go home. We had a lot of fun at the Morse Bros ponds. We tried fishing a little, no luck. We had a lot of fun though. We took an adventure. We saw some really cool like little landmarks and some abandoned like bridges and stuff, and we had a lot of fun. So I think it was a success. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit the notification bell down below so that you get notified every time we post a new video. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!